How to add halation in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open your CapCut, here is my video. Right click on the video, copy, right click and paste. So now you duplicate the video. Now select the second video, this one, go to effect. So search for blue and drag it on the timeline and adjust the duration. So now click on the blue and go to this option and reduce the intensity to 45. After that, go to filter. So under the filter, scroll to down and go to movies. So drag this green orange filter, adjust the duration. So now select all the filters and the first clip, this one, right click and create compound clip. After you create compound clip for the clip and the filters, so select the second clip, go to this option. Also under this option, go to this movie, a video. Under the video, go to basic, scroll to down. So go to this blend, select this blend mode, go to overlay. After select the overlay, so now you create the halation. So if you want to adjust, just select the video, go to this adjust. So under this option, so select this cup, scroll to down under the cup. So now under this red, go ahead now and just adjust the duration like this. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps you out.